Code Coach today, we're talking about two things. The unit here. This is not required on the code to mark it at the unit. You see how they wrote 10 kW, 60 amps. However, this is required. Panel legend, you need to mark this panel legend because it matches the breaker installed at the electrical panel. Either mark it here like this or mark it at the legend because we need to verify that the breakers installed match the unit installed on site. Another thing too, 30-inch decking from here out, 30 inches in front of the equipment. So they're a little short of that. So make sure if it's laid down, you need it the width of the equipment, 30 inches out. And again, it says level. To me, the biggest thing is that it's solid decking. I don't care if it's boards, plywood, something, but not just open joists. Open joists are not safe. Something to be mindful of.